Hi, I'm Laura Parker, owner of Stones of Change in Wilmington, North Carolina, and I'm here today to talk to you about how to use crystals for healing. What you'll need is to find yourself a reputable holistic practitioner. I think probably a person is going to see a rock or a gemstone somewhere and they're going to flip out over it. So that right there tells me that there's something about that stone that has a benefit for that person, for them to be drawn to it. And there's so many different ways to use stones and gems and rocks for healing. With each chakra, there's a color associated with the chakra. Okay, so each color vibrates at a different frequency. So you would find a gemstone that is the color of the chakra that you feel like you're having a problem with, whether you're having a blockage with the energy or you're having a problem with your throat as far as speaking your truth. That color would be blue, so you would find a blue stone and you would meditate on it. You could just place it there for 30 minutes and just with your mind say, okay, well, this stone is going to help facilitate the clearing of any blockage that I may have in that area. You could start out with a couple of minutes, whatever you're comfortable with. There's no real written rule about it. You kind of tune into yourself, and if you really know yourself, you can feel it. You can take a stone and put it in your pocket. Carry it with you throughout the day, and if you're feeling a little queasiness or whatever it is that's happening in that area, stick your hand in your pocket, feel it, and it should go right to the source where it needs to go just by your intention, because it's energy. It's all energy. The stone has energy, you have energy, and you connect to the stone's energy with the intent of clearing that blockage. And that's how you use crystals for healing.